Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Media Production. Today's episode features me, Bridger, and
Jasmine!
Yay! And today we're going to be making my little twist on a recipe called Jamie Oliver's Spiced Poached Pears, or something like that. Here are the ingredients that we use to make the recipe. First, we're going to add our water into the pan.
Add in your sugar.
And stir it in until it's dissolved.
Once the water and sugar is boiling, add in your tea bags to steep. Peel your pears. Slice some orange peel into the tea and sugar mixture. Slice up your pears and ginger.
Slightly crush your cardamom pods. Then you're going to add the ginger, cardamom pods,
and saffron. Add in your pears. Once you've added in all your pears, add some extra water until the pears are completely submerged. Let your pears simmer until they are soft and ready to eat.